Hey guys, guess where I am? Welcome to Belize. I am here in Corozal town in northern Belize, walking around drinking a Monster. I have to wear the mask because the mask is the law in this country. Sadly, we have to wear it. If you don't wear a mask, you get a $500 Belize fine, $250 US. So you gotta wear a mask at all times. So we decided to come here, give it a little visit, and we're gonna visit a few other places here in the country. So I hope you guys, hola, hope you guys come along with us on this journey here in beautiful Belize. Yes, we made it. We are here. I was here last year. I did a bunch of videos and my hard drive crashed and I lost most of my videos. I saved a few. I got them on my channel. Hey, I saved a few. They're on my channel, so make sure you check them out. And I'm gonna have a bunch of new ones for you guys coming up. Hey, how are you? What did you sell?
Mangoes and grosseria.
Mangoes and grosseria.
Hey.
How much for the grosseria?
$1.50, $1.
$1.50. Yeah. Okay, I'll come back because I have no change on me right now. Take care, man. Yeah. $1.50 a bag. He thinks I'm a dummy. A bag like that normally goes for 50 cents. And the other one told him, hey, don't let them take advantage of you. So now they're yelling at each other. So we're gonna show you Belize here in Corozal town. Hey, let me show you guys. I got myself some new flip-flops. I bought these in Mexico. I'll put the name of the town where I bought it. I forgot the name of the town because my other ones popped. Hey guys, I am here in Corozal town, Belize, and I'm hanging out here with Rodolfo Martinez.
Hi.
And every now and then I do this. I give the kids a camera, give them my GoPro, and let them go wild. So Rodolfo is gonna give you a show.
Hello. I want to show something. I want to show something real quick. Where are you going? Look over there. It's where La Llorona appears. She will appear any minute. You want to run. Now show you a pretty cat. There's a cat on the loose. There's a cat on the loose. There's a cat on the loose. It's under the car right now. I don't know where it went. Jason, let me, I will vlog it. But anyways, there's a car here. Okay, and this is the car we're renting. And there's the cat. Don't you dare show her raw! So right. And this statue reminds me so much. Hi guys. Let's do a prank. Let's all down the light. Hey guys, what's up? We'll do a prank of. We are pranking my friend Perlita. Let's go. Let's set the camera. No, let's set the camera here. Okay. Set the camera. Okay. You spot the camera. Let's go. No. I'll go. What? Can you see? Car. Huh? It's already raining. What you are doing? Car. Police coming. We're taking out of the jail. Escape from jail. I'll find the come. Okay.
You know my uncle could see everything and then he would delete it?
I know. We're playing right here. We're playing. What you are doing? She's recording. We're recording, guys. Let's record, guys. She's a fan of me. The fan. We're recording. Recording. Perlita's here. Who's here? This is my sister right here. Tomorrow we are posting this. We are posting this. Is there? You want to log? Say something. What's going on, everybody? Okay, guys. We are grabbing. Okay, do not show the license. Please do not see the license. They're coming. My sister. Okay, guys. We're all done. Douglas, seeing this, I'm a big fan of you. I'm a big fan. I watch you. Big fan. Okay. Douglas, please subscribe of you. Give me a shout out of your name. And Rodolfo Martinez. Please subscribe. Wait on. A crash does happen. These two girls is fighting. This it. Fight. Beat up. It's fighting, guys. She was fighting. Let's go sit down. Oh my god, people's coming. It's coming. Going. Oh. This is Douglas. Right there. My sister. Coming. Where's coming? See my sister here? Over there. House. Oh, this is the haunted house. Go in. It's too dark. Okay, guys. The other one is coming. Hey, guys. The other one is coming. The other one is there. Guys, please help me, guys. The other one is there.
¿Qué pasa?
The other one is there.
Ya se fue.
Okay. We're going. We're scaring my friends. And I want a shout out to Perlita and shout out to Adamari. Let's go. There too, let's go. And Adamari and Perlita is a big fan of Douglas. Have a great time, Douglas. And we're back on the next video. Alright. We're back on the next video. Let's go. Oh, I will drop.